To upgrade your Claude AI plan, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open up Claude AI. And then from here, you want to open up the sidebar. Next, you want to go ahead and select your profile icon and choose the option Upgrade Plan. From here, you should now be able to see all of the plans available. It is split into two categories. So if you're an individual person, you have three options available. You have a free, which is the default one that you're normally given. Then you have a pro, which you can choose to pay either monthly or yearly. And then you have max. So it's up to you to choose between these options. Then the other category is team and enterprise. So if you have a team or if you have a small business and all of you would like to use Claude, this is a good option for you. So you can choose which option you would prefer, whether you want the standard team one, which can give you $20 a month or $100 a month, depending on which option you would prefer. Or you can choose enterprise, which gives you even more options, and so it's completely up to you to decide which option you prefer. Bear in mind when it comes to the team or enterprise, you do have to pay for each individual person who's currently part of your team or business. So keep that in mind, as well as you have a max amount of users you can get on each plan. Thanks for watching. If you have any more questions or comments, feel free to subscribe to the channel and I'll answer any more questions about Claude AI.